Hi, I'm attorney Chad Silver, founder of Silver Tax Group. We're one of the most aggressive and experienced tax defense firms in the country. We're actually a tax defense law firm. We help clients around the world fix their FBAR compliance, resolve IRS problems, and protect their finances. We don't just fill out a form, we plan your strategy, build your disclosures, and defend them if necessary. All our work is done in-house by our legal tax professionals. Let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file an FBAR online in 2025 using the official FinCEN BSA e-filing system. If you've got foreign bank accounts, you may be legally required to file an FBAR, and we'll walk you through how to do that step by step. All right, step one, go to the BSA e-filing website. To file your FBAR, go to bsaefiling.fincen.treasury.gov, and you'll see the link below. Click on File an Individual FBAR. You don't need to create an account. The system will launch the official FinCEN Form 114 in your browser. Step 2, gather your information. And here's what you'll need to gather before you start. I highly suggest going and getting this all together because it's a lot of information. You're going to need the names and addresses of each foreign bank or foreign institution, the maximum value in each account during the year, your social security number or ITIN number. The actual bank account numbers are important, whether you own the account or just have signatory authority over it, the country where the account is held, and here's an important tip on maximum account value. And this is one of the biggest mistakes people make because I see the submissions to the firm all the time that people will try to use maybe like the lowest value of the year or some other random date, but you don't want to use the lowest value. And you don't want to make up the date. And you don't want to use an average balance. You report the highest balance during the year, even if it was just for one day. And you must convert that amount into US dollars using the IRS's official year-end exchange rate, not Google and not your bank's rate. At Silver Tax Group, we use internal tools and IRS data to calculate the maximum values precisely. You want to get this correct. Now, here's a common FBAR mistake that you want to avoid. Don't report the average balance instead of the maximum. Don't skip out on joint or inactive accounts that were still open during the year. And don't use the wrong currency conversion rate. Don't file late and don't file them at all is really bad as well. Mistakes like these can lead to audits, penalties, and serious legal trouble. Don't cut corners. Actually, you can contact us at Silver Tax Group and we'll help you do it correctly. But anyways, step 3, submit the form. Once you've filled out the form and signed it digitally and submitted it through the BSA e-filing system, you'll get a confirmation email with a BSA ID number. That's your receipt. You need to save that. All right, let's talk about the real world, the real deal Holyfield right here. Let me give you an example. All right, John, a U.S. citizen living in Germany, had a local savings account that had 85,000 euros. He didn't realize he needed to report it. So what I did is I filed 3 years of late FBARs using the streamlined filing compliance procedures, and I also amended 3 years of his US 1040 returns because on Schedule B of that return, there's an area that you need to make sure is correctly reported. And if you don't do that, you didn't file your FBARs right. So it's not only filing the late FBARs, you also got to amend returns. And in that case result, there were no penalties, case closed, clean slate. My client got to sleep well at night. So we planned it, we built it, and we were ready to defend it if necessary. However, we do it right the first time, so we don't need to go and defend it for you because there's going to be nothing wrong. So let's talk about, another really common issue is what if you missed prior year FBAR filings? So if you didn't file FBARs in the past, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. There are official IRS procedures to fix noncompliance, whether it's streamlined filing or voluntary disclosure. We'll handle it all in-house from strategy to submission. So if you need help filing an FBAR, we're here to help. The FBAR seems simple until they're not. So if you want it done right, call Silver Tax Group. We've helped thousands of clients file correctly, avoid penalties, avoid criminal prosecution, avoid jail time, and stay protected. You want to do it correctly and you want to stay protected. So call us now at 855-900-1040 or visit us at silvertaxgroup.com and set up a free consultation so you can get this off your plate and get it off your worry list. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video, FBAR versus FATCA. What's the difference? I'm tax attorney Chad Silver. See you next time.